In this video, I'll show you how to use your Ionos email step by step. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you manage your email efficiently and communicate more professionally. Ionos, formerly known as One-in-One, offers a comprehensive and user-friendly email service used by both businesses and individuals. Whether you're new to Ionos or looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the basics of setting up and managing your account. Let's start at the beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Ionos website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which is usually easy to find on the page. Clicking on it is your first step toward accessing your account. After you click on Sign In, you'll be prompted to select the type of account. Choose Customer Account to proceed. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your email services. Once you're on the login screen, click on Sign In to proceed. Then, enter your webmail address carefully. It's important to use the correct email associated with your Ionos account to avoid login issues. After entering your webmail address, click Next. This may redirect you to the webmail dashboard. Always use the webmail login to ensure you're accessing your email correctly. Now that you're logged in, it's time to send your first email. Click on the New Email button to open a new message. Before typing your message, it can be helpful to select or prepare your text area if you plan to format or edit your content. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Make sure it's correct so your message reaches the intended person. Then, add a subject line. Keep it clear and relevant so the recipient understands the purpose of your email. Now, compose your message in the body section. Whether it's short or detailed, make sure your message is clear and easy to understand. Once you're done, review your email for any mistakes. Checking for typos and clarity helps maintain professionalism. Finally, click the Send button to deliver your message. With these steps, you now know how to access and use your Ionos email effectively. It's a powerful tool that becomes even more useful as you get comfortable with it. And that's how to use Ionos email effectively. With just a few simple steps, you can manage your communication more professionally and efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.